I am super serious. You can actually buy a car and a house at the same time and use the same money. Let's say you have $10,000. Buy the house and the car at the same time. And I'll walk you through how to do this. It's not that advanced of a strategy, but I want to show you how to do that. Hey guys, my name is Dustin Heiner. I am the founder of Master Passive Income, and I want to help you learn how to quit your JOB, that just over broke job, by investing in real estate rental properties. Now, if you're going to buy a house as a rental property, which that's how I quit my job when I was 37 years old. I bought so many houses, or leading up to 37 years old, I bought 30 plus houses. And then eventually I had so much money coming in, I realized, why in the world am I working? I don't need to work anymore. I don't need to worry about this money. Even though I was making $75,000 in income from my JOB, that just over broke job, I realized I was losing money working there. So I quit, and I make so much more money because of my businesses and my real estate. It's so much better working for yourself. Now, let me show you how to actually buy the house and the car, the rental property, with the same money. Like, let's say you start with $10,000. You want a car. You need a car to get back and forth from work because you're still keeping your JOB just so you can buy more properties. But you also want to start investing by buying another property. Here's an option for you. You say you have that $10,000. You could buy a car outright and then save more money. Use that $10,000 to buy a car for cash, then save that money, and then eventually you have more money saved up to buy a house. Or you can take that $10,000 and buy a house and make passive income on it. You could do either one. But here's what I would do to actually do both. Because you need a car, why not do both at the same time? So if you get a car, you're going to have a car loan. But let's say instead of doing that, you take that $10,000 and actually buy a rental property that makes you $250 or more in passive income. And then that property will then give you that passive income to then buy that car. Now, the way that you do it, and I check in the description, I have a video on showing you exactly how to do this business where you buy the properties, you make money 6 different ways, and you make passive income. Check the description below for that. And also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to do that because I'm going to continue to give you great ways to invest in real estate. But let's say you buy that house. You count up all the expenses, the mortgage, the insurance, the taxes, the capital expenses, the repairs, everything and anything that is going to be an expense, you add those up. Now, let's say all of your expenses, all added up, is a total of $1,000. But you know from talking to your property manager that you can rent it for $1,300. Well, let's go down a little bit. Let's say $1,250. So if your rent total coming in your pocket is $1,250, but your expenses is $1,000, that's $250 in passive income every single month coming into your pocket. Now, what's great is $250 a month is $3,000 a year. But that $250 a month can also go to buy that car that you need. Let's say you just want to get a loan for a car. Now, because you have that rental property making you $250 or more in passive income, you have that $250 or more to put and use as a payment for your car payment. So you buy this asset that makes you money, then that asset helps you to buy this liability, which is the car that doesn't make you money. But after this loan is paid off for the car, you both have the car and the house at the same time. So this is the way it works out. You buy the house, utilize the money that you have to buy the house, make sure you're making $250 or more in passive income. Then you go to the bank, the banker, you go to the car dealer, whoever, and you show them that you make money from your job, but then you have an investment property that makes you $250 or more that increases your income. And then they're going to say, hey, yeah, of course, Dustin, Mr. Dustin, let's go ahead and gift you this car. This car is, $250 a month for this. Yes, absolutely. Let's do that. Now, what's great is, like I said, after that loan for that car is paid off, I have the car and I have the house. The sad thing a little bit is the car depreciates in value. It's a depreciating asset. But the house, it appreciates in value. And the tenants pay the mortgage, tenants pay the interest, they pay for the expenses, the repairs, they pay for everything. They even pay to manage the property. They pay for the property manager so you don't actually have to work. So that's how I have used money, the same $10,000 per se, to buy a house and buy a car at the same time with that same money. And you can do this over and over again. And the trick is, or here's the main key, you buy assets. Don't buy liabilities. You buy an asset that can buy you a liability. Let's say you want to buy a boat. Your family loves jet skiing or water skiing or whatever it might be. That's a liability. It's not an asset. If you buy a boat, it doesn't make you money unless you're renting it out, which is a whole other story, but it's a liability if it doesn't make you money. What you do is you buy an asset that pays for that liability. It's brilliant. You absolutely must do this when you're thinking about investing. Buy the asset first. Let that asset then buy that liability. All right, guys, are fantastic. Again, Dustin Hire with Master Passive Income. Definitely subscribe to this channel and watch this video right here. I want to see you guys invest in real estate. All right, we'll see ya.